everyone, and happy Tuesday. It's the first day of school, so of course, we're having troubles logging in. One of the biggest problems that we have been seeing is logging in with a personal Gmail account over your school Gmail account, which is your school ID number and your password, which is your birthday with the dashes. In this video, I am going to show you how you can separate your personal Gmail account from your school Gmail account by creating two different kinds of Google Chromes for you to use on your personal device. Here's how we are going to do it. First thing we have to do is create two types of Google Chrome. For example, if you're going to look at my desktop, right up here in the corner, hey, look here, not Yoda, you can see that I have two different Google Chromes. One says Miss Hines and one says Chloe. You can guess which one is for school and which one is my personal account. How did I make these two separate accounts? Well, I'm going to show you. First, all I had was logged in as my personal account. This meant anytime I tried to log into Google Classroom, I wouldn't be allowed because I'd be logging in as this Chloe, the personal Chloe. I didn't want that. It's so much easier and everything can automatically log you into your school account if you change this entire tab to look like your school account and be linked to your school account. How do you do that? Right up here in the top right-hand corner, you will see this little icon here that will either be your initials or whatever picture you chose for your personal account. If you are using a district provided Chromebook, you should not have this problem because when you log into the Chromebook, you should be using your Columbus City Schools ID and password. So right up here on the little face icon, you click on yourself and you hit add. This will let you add a person and then you will go through the steps and you can even add a name and it can be your name and student. So then you know. You can hit add and then it's boom. There you go. Now I have an account linked to Warrior Student. From there, you hit turn on sync and that's when you will log in using your Columbus City Schools ID and password. Then on your desktop, you too will have two screens open. One screen, if you look at the very bottom of the screen, here's my mouse, go follow me down here. At the very bottom, you can see that I have the personal Gmail account and my school Gmail account that is open. And now when I go to Classroom, I am already linked up and all my classes are there and ready to go. Or if I want to join my Google Classroom that your teacher gave the code for, you hit the add button, join class, and then from there you can put in your code and whatever code your teacher gave you for your class, you should be able to log in from there because you are already logged in as a student with your Columbus City Schools ID. And from now on, for all of your school stuff, you can just use one window for your school and one window for your personal Gmail accounts. And I hope that was helpful.